Have you ever looked at your backyard and wondered if it could be more than just a place to relax? What if it could be a source of significant income? Today, we're diving deep into the world of highly profitable plants, the kind that can turn your gardening hobby into a thriving business. We're going to explore 7 incredible plants, each with a high market value, detailing their cultivation difficulty, what they're worth, and exactly where you can sell them. Get ready to discover how to grow serious green right at home. First up is medicinal lavender, a plant renowned for its beautiful scent and calming properties. We're talking about varieties like English lavender, specifically grown for its high essential oil content. Its uses range from aromatherapy to culinary applications, and even as a natural insect repellent. Cultivating lavender is relatively easy. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for many backyards. A mature plant can yield significant amounts of flowers. You can sell dried bundles, essential oils, sachets, or even culinary lavender at farmers markets, craft fairs, or through an online shop. Next, let's talk about specialty mushrooms such as oyster, shiitake, or lion's mane. These aren't your average button mushrooms. They're gourmet delights highly sought after by chefs and health-conscious consumers. Growing them requires a bit more technical knowledge, as they need specific conditions like humidity control and a sterile substrate, the material they grow on, like sawdust or logs. However, once you get the hang of it, the yields can be impressive. Fresh specialty mushrooms can fetch anywhere from $10 to $25 per pound, or even more. Sell directly to local restaurants, at farmers markets, or to CSA, community-supported agriculture, programs. Prepare for a challenge, but with immense reward, wasabi. We're talking about true Japanese wasabi, Wasabi japonica, not the green horseradish paste often served with sushi. This rare rhizome, which is an underground stem, is incredibly difficult to cultivate, requiring very specific, clean running water, a mild climate, and consistent shade. It's often grown in specialized sawa or terraced stream beds. Due to its scarcity and unique flavor, real wasabi can command prices upwards of $100 per pound. Your primary buyers will be high-end Japanese restaurants and gourmet food distributors who appreciate its authentic, pungent flavor. Often called red gold, saffron is the world's most expensive spice, derived from the stigmas of the Crocus sativus flower. Each flower produces only 3 tiny, thread-like stigmas, and it takes tens of thousands of flowers to yield just 1 pound of saffron. The cultivation itself isn't terribly complex. The crocus grows well in sunny, dry climates. However, the difficulty lies in the incredibly labor-intensive harvesting, which must be done by hand. The market price is astronomical, easily exceeding $1,500 to $5,000 per pound. You can sell your precious threads to gourmet food shops, high-end restaurants, or directly to consumers online. Next is ginseng, a powerful medicinal root highly valued in traditional Asian medicine. There are 2 main types, American ginseng and Asian ginseng, both known for their adaptogenic properties, meaning they help the body adapt to stress. Growing ginseng is a long-term commitment and moderately difficult. It requires specific shady forest conditions, taking anywhere from 5 to 10 years to mature. The value of ginseng roots increases with age and quality. Mature, wild simulated American ginseng can fetch hundreds, even thousands, of dollars per pound. Your target market includes herbal medicine suppliers, specialty health stores, and Asian markets. Stevia is a natural, calorie-free sweetener that has exploded in popularity as a healthier alternative to sugar. The plant itself, Stevia rebaudiana, is relatively easy to grow, similar to many common herbs. It prefers warm climates and well-drained soil, and can even be grown in containers. The real value comes from its leaves, which are significantly sweeter than sugar. You can harvest and dry the leaves to sell directly, or process them into a more potent powder or liquid extract. Dried stevia leaves and extracts are sought after by health food stores, farmers markets, and individuals looking for natural sweeteners. Finally, let's talk about butterfly pea, or Clitoria tornadea. This stunning plant produces vibrant blue flowers that are incredibly popular for making color-changing tea. It turns purple with a squeeze of lemon. It's also used as a natural food dye and in traditional medicine. Cultivation is surprisingly easy. It's a hardy climbing vine that thrives in warm climates and is quite drought-tolerant once established. You can grow it along a fence or trellis. Dried butterfly pea flowers can sell for a good price, especially with the rising demand for unique herbal teas and natural ingredients. Sell to tea shops, online botanical markets, or craft suppliers. So there you have it, 7 incredibly profitable plants that you can cultivate in your own backyard. From the aromatic simplicity of lavender to the challenging but rewarding wasabi, each offers a unique opportunity to grow a lucrative side business or even a full-time venture. Remember, starting small, understanding your market, and focusing on quality are key to success. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and watch your green thumb turn into real green. Your backyard isn't just a garden, it's a potential goldmine. What will you plant first?